Hey there, good morning. This is the first lesson for the week of May 18th. The homework assignments. I'm going to do all the odd numbered problems. So let's get started. A neutralization reaction is a reaction between a what and a what. Well, neutral means that there's equal parts, one and another. A neutralization reaction is a special reaction that occurs between an acid and a base. So that's what a neutralization reaction is. Number 3, if there's an equal concentration of hydrogen and hydroxide ions in a solution, the solution is more likely to have what kind of pH? Well, we've got several listed here. If there's equal numbers of H's and OH's, that means that it's going to be neutral and it would have a pH of 7. Remember, 7 is a neutral pH. Number 5, if there are significantly more hydrogen ions than hydroxide ions in a solution, it's more likely to have which of these pHs do you think? Well, if there's lots more H's, that means it's more acidic than basic. So lots more H's means that it would have a lower pH. Well, there's 2 of them with a pH below 7, which they would both be acids. It's not going to be either one of those. But it says it's significantly more, so that's just a little bit less than 7. Okay, this is a lot less than 7, so a pH of 1 is the correct answer. Number 7, let me get that straight for you. Number 7, the blood pH in the human body must remain between the range of 7.35 and 7.45. If blood pH suddenly drops to 7.20, which ion does the body need to add to bring the pH back into the correct range? Well, it looks like it's not all that much different, but the fact is that the pH of blood has to stay between this range. There's no wiggle room. You can get really, really sick if it's below 7.35 or above 7.45. So those buffers come into play, and they will take that pH of 7.20, which is less than that, which means it's more acidic, and it will add more hydroxide to it because it needs to get it more towards the base side than the acid side, which it is right now. All right, last one, number 9. Which of the following is a correctly balanced neutralization reaction? Okay, well, a neutralization reaction is a special type of double replacement reaction between an acid and a base. And the acid plus the base will always make 2 things. It will always make water and a salt, okay, those neutral substances. So let's see. Potassium iodide and silver nitrate, okay, those are not acids and bases, so it can't be that. CH4, which is methane plus oxygen, makes carbon dioxide and water. Anybody remember what that is? That is a combustion reaction. So it is not a neutralization. This one up here, I should have labeled it for you. This is just a regular double replacement. Okay, next one, so this one's not it. We're looking for that neutralization, the acid base. Magnesium plus hydrochloric acid makes magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Okay, this is not an acid base. This is an acid, yes, but that is not a base. This, what kind of reaction? This is a single replacement. Okay, so it can't be it either. Hydrofluoric acid plus lithium hydroxide makes lithium fluoride and water. This is our neutralization reaction. Okay, so those are the odds. Go ahead and work on the evens, and good luck, guys.